पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Ishavashyam. In that we have seen the word Isha. Now Vasyam in Tika. This is Shukla Yajurvediya Upanishad, Kanva Shakha, page number 7. Second last line in Tika. Vasa. Achha, you might have different page number or line number, so you remember where we stop. And then we'll continue from wherever we have stopped, okay? Vasa, Vasa dhatu is there. Vas is for Achhadanam. So Vasa Achhadane. Because Vasyam is there. Asya Rupam Vasyam. So from Vasa dhatu, Vasyam Shabda is formed. Means Achhadaniyam. Achhadaniyam in simple words. So if let us say there is a pot, and generally how do we use the word Achhadaniyam? So pot should be covered by a cloth. This is called Achhadanam. But here we don't have to take in that meaning. This is general meaning. Object A is there, it should be covered by object B. But here what is said, Jagat should be covered by Atma Buddhi, Brahma Buddhi, Atmana, Isha, Achhadaniyam, Vasyam. So it is not that there are two different things. Really speaking, pot is not covered by cloth, but you have a buddhi that it is covered. It will become like Shivalinga is there, you cover it with this Bhagavad Buddhi. So really Shivalinga is not Bhagavan, but you have a buddhi, create a bhavana, then it will become upasana. But here it is not the topic. So here what is said, you are seeing a pot, you cover it with clay buddhi. In other words, that which is really there, ghata is there or clay is there? Clay is there. How do we say clay is there, ghata is not there? Through adhyaropa apavada. In this, first we think there is only ghata. Then we understand ghata is really made up of clay. So there is clay and there is ghata. There are two things. This is adhyaropa prakriya. Then we understand if clay is there, ghata is there, then clay I will keep, ghata you keep. What will you get? If I take out clay, you will not get anything. In other words, really there is no ghata, there is only clay. The substance by which this pot is created, that substance alone is. Ghata is only in my buddhi for vyavahara. some name I have given to this form, and there is a karma associated with this. So nama, rupa, karma. That idea is only in my buddhi. As far as the essence is concerned, it is always a clay. In the same way, this Jagat, this Brahmanda, essentially it is Atma. It is me, my Swarupa. But because of Vyavahara Buddhi, I use some Nama, some Rupa, and it has some karma. Like Ghata has karma in the form of putting the water, bringing it, taking it, putting milk in it now, something or the other. So Jagat has some Nama Rupa karma. Because of that, my attention is taken away by those Nama Rupa. Therefore, Upanishad says, Isha Vasyam, Isha Achhadaniyam. Don't just look at Nama Rupa karma. See what it is essentially. Essentially, it is Paramatma. Now somebody says, in first mantra itself you are saying it is Isha. You never explained how this is Paramatma. For that you have to study Prakarana Granthas. Because Upanishad expects that either you already know these things or you will probably be studying in other Upanishad. So this is why they say, first study Prakarana Granthas, then you study Upanishad. Because here, this Srishti Prakriya, how from Brahma Jagat has come into being, is not explained. And in this Upanishad, it will not be explained. It is taken for granted that you know this part. So, Isha Vasyam, but it is not like you take something by which you pervade something else which it is not pervaded already. It is not like that. It already is. Because of Ajnanam, I am not looking at it in this way. So how do we feel? Oh, this is my room. In my room, this is a sweater, this is a shawl, this is computer, this is table, this is chair, this is person, etc. This buddhi is so strong. And each has different nama rupa karma. So my thinking should be, no, all this is really me. This room is me, this ashram is me, this Rishikesh is me, this Gangaji is me, this Himalaya is me, this sweater is me, shawl is me, this. All this is aham pada lakshyartha, Satchidananda, Satchidananda. In this way. So all we have to do, this is the practice. You sit for half hour, 1 hour, take every object in your room and Isha Vasyam, Isha Vasyam, Isha Vasyam. Isha means Atmana Vasyam. Do this abhyasa. When you go for walk, think in this way. When you do any other vyavahara also, Snanadi vyavahara, Bhojanadi vyavahara, Isha Vasyam, Isha Vasyam. Only then you will protect yourself, says the Upanishad. So just because I have heard the mantra, Isha Vasyamidam Sarvam, I know, okay, what is Isha? It is the third case of it. Isha, Prathama, Tritiya, Ekvachanam, Vasyam, Vas Dhatu is a Raja. That Jnanam will not protect me. This Jnanam will protect me, that really speaking, I am all of this. Understood? So, we think we have studied something, we think we have understood, but Upanishad expects that if your understanding is this, then Shoka Moha Nivritti will take place, not otherwise. For anybody, whether it is Shishya, Chhatra, or Acharya, anybody. So this buddhi I have to create. And this, you know, the technicality that how is one Nirvikar Paramatma equals so many of Vikari Jagat. Because Paramatma is one and you are saying Paramatma is all this. Paramatma is avikari, all this is savikari. Paramatma is nitya, all this is anitya. How one nitya can be many anitya? So that is, then you understand. So this see, if Upanishad has said, that is the truth. Now how to make it work is our responsibility. Means Acharya's responsibility. So how Acharya will explain? This is the vivarta of that one, not parinama. Means one has not become this. Like generally how we say clay has become pot. You say, oh, Brahma has become world. It's simple. But if Brahma becomes world, then Brahma also will become Vikari. And what is Vikari? Will become Vinashi. It will be Anitya. So that we don't want for Brahma, because Brahma is Avinashi. Just now you chanted Avinashi tu tad vidhi. It is Avinashi. So keeping that one Avinashi, by which idam sarvam is tatam. So you see in Gita, Bhagavan says very clearly, Maya tatam idam sarvam. Here we are saying, Isha Vasyam idam sarvam. There he said, Maya tatam idam sarvam. So there already he has said that Maya, I should understand Maya. That Paramatmana is Atmana. Brahma Swarupena. I means I as Brahma pervade all this. So this is where we say it is not parinama, it is only appearance. It is called vivarta. So then Vasyam Shabda will be understood. Now there is some Vyakhya also, as Acharyas have done. I just gave you a simple explanation. This is called Adhyaropa Apavada Prakriya. Tika Tatvatah ईश्वरात्मकम एव सर्वं भ्रांत्या यद अनीश्वर रूपेण गृहीतम तत्सर्वं ईश्वर एव आत्मा एव इति ज्ञानेन आच्छादनीयम्. तत्वतः in essence, Ishwaratmakam eva. Everything is Ishwara Swarupa alone. Ishwaratmakam means Ishwaratmakam. What is the samasa? What is the vigraha of this?
Ishvaraha Atma Yasya Saha Ishwaratmakaha Tam Ishwaratmakam.
Very good. Ishvara Atma Yasya Saha Ishwaratmakaha Tam Ishwaratmakam Jagat Sarvam. So Anya Padartha Bahuvrihi is Anya Padartha Pradhana. Anya Padartha is Sarvam. Ishwaratmakam Sarvam.
As we take as a Brahman is Ishvara, Ishvara eva Atma, Ishvara, Tam Ishwaratmakam.
So that also you can do, Ishvara eva Atma. Normally when there is a ka at the end, it is Bahuvrihi. Bahuvrihi. Good. Ishwaratmakam eva sarvam Bhrantya yad anishwara rupena grihitam. So actually it is Ishwar Rupam, but through Bhranti it is Anishwara Rupena Grahitam. It is accepted as Anishwara. So it is not that it is not Ishvara and I am trying to create Ishvara Buddhi. It is already Ishvara. By Bhranti I have taken Anishvara. Then I am correcting my Bhranti by Ishvara Buddhi. सर्वं भ्रांत्या यद अनीश्वर रूपेण गृहीतम तत्सर्वम ईश्वर एव आत्मा एव. सो ऑल दिस इज आत्मा इति ज्ञानेन आच्छादनीयम. एंड आच्छादनीयम मीन्स एक्चुअली यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनी कर्म, ओनली ज्ञानम. दिस ज्ञानम इज व्हाट वी आर सीकिंग. दिस ज्ञानम आई शुड हैव. That when I see Nama Rupa Karma, first thought should come, what is the essence here? Brahma, Atma. Then you have to do some Nama Rupa Karma Vyavahara, you do. Like, if somebody says, you want to buy this pot is available for 20 rupees. So you know because it is clay, it is available for 20. But if that person says, you want this pot, this will cost you 5,000 rupees. Then you will say, this is not gold. Why would this cost 5,000? In other words, you are not seeing pot. You are seeing clay or gold or what it is. Immediately it comes to your mind. Like that, when I see the world, immediately it should come to me. See this world means I don't have to open my eyes also. Whatever I experience, my thoughts also, that also Ishavasyam. Person who has this going on in his buddhi all the time, for that person, nothing else remains to be done. All his work is over. Because in his buddhi, there is no room for any other activity. Means only whatever is there in his prarabdha he will do. But really speaking, no other spurana will be there. Ishavasyam. Tika, we have to continue. Sarvatmaka. Achha, let us see if there is some. Tika, Tippani, you see, third number, Tippani, Achhadaniyam means Vishayi-karaniyam. It means my book has third number. Achhadaniyam, whatever is your number, you see. Means Vishayi-karaniyam. Means Jnanena Vishayi-karaniyam. Jnanasya Vishaya should be Atma. Jnanasya Vishaya should not be Ghata, Pata, this cloth, this room, this object, table, chair. They are not the Vishaya. Atma should be the Vishaya in my buddhi all the time. Vishayi Karaniyam. Sarvatmaka Ishvaro Asmi iti Jnatavyam. What Upadesha is given here? I am Sarvatmakaha Ishvaraha. I am Sarvarupa. Iti Jnatavyam. This should be known. Eshaha, Esha, after that there should be space. Esha Tattvopadesha Chandogye Tattvamasi iti vat ityarthaha. This Upadesha, Sarvatmaka Ishvaro Asmi, this is just like what is said in the 6th chapter of Chandogya Upanishad in Tattvamasi Mahavakya. In other words, Ishavasyam is actually Tattvamasi, according to Anand Giriji. Because there how it is given, Saja Eshonima Aitadatma Vidagam Sarvam Tat Satyam Sa Atma Tattvamasi Shveta Keto. So, that is very sukshma, anima, and that is the Atma of all. Tadatmakam, Sadatmakam is all this. It is Satyam, Tat Satyam. Sa Atma, that is your Atma, means that is Atma. Well, if that is Atma, then what should I do? Well, you are that. Tattvamasi. So it is not that there is some Atma. I say, Atma is Brahma, I have understood. Atma is the whole world, I have understood. But I am same old, dukhi, miserable. No, you are that in this way. You understand. Brahmaiva sarvam atmaiva sat prakasha visheshataha. Brahmaiva sarvam atmaiva. Brahma is sarvam, Brahma is Atma. And why Brahma is all or Atma is all? Sat Prakasha Visheshataha. Now, how we understand, because there is another reading also in Tippani it is given, it could be Sat Prakasha Avisheshataha. Either way, we know how to understand the Vakya. So, why Brahma is everything? Because in everything there is Sat, means Asti, and everything has Prakasha, means Bhati. Asti, Bhati is in all. Asti Bhati is there, and that is the Visheshana for that Vastu. So, what is Ghata? Sat Prakasha Vishishta Ghata. Asti Bhati Vishishta Ghata. Asti Bhati Vishishta Pata. Asti Bhati Vishishta Pushpam. Asti Bhati Vishishta Manushyaha, Purushaha, Parvataha. Asti Bhati is there everywhere. So that Vishishta is the Vastu. Sat Prakasha Visheshataha. Means Sat Prakasha Visheshatvat. Hetvartha Panchami. And if you say Avisheshataha means that is the common part between Brahma and Sarvam. That is Avishesh. Avishesh means Samanya. वो समान है in all. And therefore Brahma is Sarvam. So in Vedanta Paribhasha, in Tika, you have heard, studied Drigdrishya Viveka. What is the Asti Bhati Priya Shloka?
अस्ति भाति प्रियं रूपं नाम चैत्यं शपञ्चकम्
Adyatrayam.
Sammarupam Jagat Rupam Tatodvayam.
Very good. So there it is said Asti Bhati and Priyam, all are there. So in Vedanta Paribhasha Tika, some Purvapaksha is there. He says Dukkham. Dukkham is also part of Jagat. Dukkham Asti Bhati. Dukkham is not Priyam to anybody. How do you say Asti Bhati Priyam? So he says everywhere you don't have to put all three. Two are there, that is enough. Asti Bhati is also there. So here like that's why here Sat and Prakasha, only two are given. Heyopadeya bhavoyam na san swapnava diryate. This could be a shloka actually. Brahmaiva sarvam atmaiva satprakasha visheshatah heyopadeya bhavoyam na san swapnava diryate. This must be some shloka, but we don't know where it is. Next one is also a shloka. So first understand this heyopadeya bhava. Heyopadeya bhavaha ayam na sat. This heya upadeya buddhi is actually not sat. Means it is mithya. How? Swapna. What? Like swapna. So in swapna I take something, I give up something. What is the end total? Nothing. Whatever you add, whatever you subtract in Swapna, nothing has happened. स्वप्ने होई भिखारी नृप रंक नाकपति होई जागे हानि न लाभ कछु हाँ तिमी प्रपंच जिय जोय लक्ष्मण गीता. So in Swapna, Nripa can become Bhikari and Ranka means a Bhikari can become Nakapati means Indra. When you wake up, nothing has happened. But this world is like that, you understand. So Hiryopadeya Bhavoyam na sat swapnavat. Then one more shloka, chant the shloka, Uktancha. न बंधोस्ति न मोक्षोस्ति न विकल्पोस्ति तत्वतः नित्य प्रकाश एवास्ति विश्वाकारो महेश्वरः. So some uddharana, I don't know if they have given where it is. They have not given. Okay. But artha is very simple. Na bandho asti, na moksha. People love to read these things. We enjoy when it is said there is no bondage, there is no liberation. Na nirodho, we are very happy. And then immediately something happens, we are dukhi. So that shows that this has not become my wisdom yet. Na bandhosti, na mokshasti. Tattvataha. Only tattvataha there is no bandha. Tattvataha na moksha. Tattvataha na vikalpo asti. Tattvataha there is no vikalpa. Vikalpa means bheda. 1, 2, 3. These are vikalpas. There is no vikalpa. Nirvikalpa Brahma. Nitya prakasha eva asti. Then what is there? Only Nitya prakasha is there. Vishwakaraha. Now you see Vishwakara, so now you have to say Vishwa. There is something called Vishwa. Vishwa can mean Sarvam also. Vishwa means Sarvam. Sarvakaraha. What is this Sarva? Sarvakaro. Maheshwaraha. That Paramatma alone is. Yasya aupadeshika jnana matrena. Now you see, immediate now adhikari bheda he shows. Yasya aupadeshika jnana matrena anrita drishtir na tiraskriyate. For that Vidyarthi, just by this Guru's teaching, aupadeshika jnana, means upadesha janya jnana. By that jnana matrena, anrita buddhi, that all this is anrita, whatever is nama rupa karma, nama rupa karmakhyam jagat is anrita. Because what is satyam? Paramatma, Brahma. By that I have to cover Vasya. So that anrita drishti yasya na tiraskriyate, that tiraskar does not happen from my buddhi. Just by upadesha. What should he do? Vichara. Shravanam did not produce a result. So what should I do? Mananam. So he gives. Tasya vicharadi prayatnena tattva prakashe sati anrita drishti tiraskriyeta iti abhipretya drashtantam aha. So, very few sadhakas could be such that just by listening, jnanam will take place for them. For others, that anrita tiraskar does not happen. So, again and again you will have to listen, and again you will have to create this abhyasa that this is what I have heard and this has to become my new understanding. That old understanding that this is nama rupatmaka jagat has to go. This is Brahma. This buddhi has to come. For this I have to put forth effort. So that's why sometimes, when people think, one time Upanishad, if I study that itself is enough. Don't ask me to study again. This tiraskar does not happen. If Bhagavan says aneka janma samsiddhaha, it will really take aneka janma if you are working for it. If you are not working for it, aneka janma, more of that. I have to actively think in this direction only, leaving aside all my other vichara. So, for a person who has done other sadhanas, who has greater sadhana chatushtaya, that person will be able to keep his or her mind in this Brahma Chintan. Person who doesn't have enough qualification, immediately, as soon as class is over, they want some anatma. They want some jagat. In their buddhi, jagat is just waiting. So, in that case, I have a long way to go. I have a lot of work to do. Because Ishavasyam is not happening. Nama Rupatmaka Karma Jagat is very much Satyam. Its Tiraskar is not happening. So, Vichar means thorough mananam is required. Person has to work for it. Then only it will happen. Otherwise, this Nama Rupa Karma Tiraskar is not there. So, Vicharadi Prayatnena Tattva Prakashe Sati, when Tattva Jnanam takes place, through Vichara, Anrita Drishti hi Tiraskriyeta. Means a vidhi is given, that only then Anrita Drishti will go. Iti abhipretya drishtantam aha. So you see, when they say such things, right, it is a good thing. It tells me that those people who could get this just by listening, how much effort they had already put forth before, how much preparation they had done. Then they came to listen to Ishavasya. Not that suddenly they jumped in and heard Ishavasya and expected that I will get the same result as that fellow who has been working for so many janmas. So, aisa hota, so then there was no point in doing so much effort. Anybody would have just showed up and said, okay, Ishavasyam, I understood. Nama Rupatmaka Karma, Nama Rupa Karmatmaka Jagat, Tiraskara will not happen. Drishtantam aha yatha. Now you see in Bhashya, one line we have to see before we proceed. In Bhashya, in my book, it is previous page. Tena svena rupena atmana isha vasyam achhadaniyam. Kim idam sarvam yat kincha. Now you see this. Yat kincha jagatyam jagat. Jagatyam means pruthivyam. Jagat means tat sarvam. Svena atmana ishena pratyagatmataya. All these are samanadhikarana. Svena atmana ishena pratyagatmataya. Aham eva idam sarvam. In this way I have to understand. I alone am everything. Idam sarvam iti. Paramartha satya rupena andritam idam sarvam. All this is andritam. So satya mithya is very clearly shown. Atma is satya, jagat is mithya. Idam sarvam is mithya. That mithya idam sarvam characharam, all moving and non-moving. Achhadaniyam svena paramatmana. It should be pervaded by Svena means one's own self, which is not different from Paramatma. You say, what is this Upanishad saying? I am Paramatma. Nobody told me I am Paramatma. Suddenly they are saying. So when they say you are Paramatma means Aham Pada Lakshyartha. We are not talking about you as Devadatta, Chaitra, Maitra. Chaitra, Maitra is not Paramatma as he appears there. As Satchidananda, I am Paramatma. By that, Sarvam Achadaniyam. Drishtanta part we will see tomorrow. But this part, as much as possible, you keep in your buddhi. Ishavasyam. Only this much part. Whatever you have heard and understood, reflect on it and try to see if there is tiraskara of anatma. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha.